Hello my people, you are welcome to the Shantari. This is where we discuss herbs and spices for healthy living. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is a place to be. Please subscribe to this channel. You have a lot to gain in this channel. Do not forget to give me thumbs up. Also, turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my video. To my returning viewer, thank you very much. I love you all. Thank you for sticking to this channel. So, a lot of people have been complaining about high blood sugar and diabetes, thereby leading to Oga not be able to perform his duty very well. So I'm going to be showing you two natural recipes that you can prepare. This recipe, they are common, you can get it in the market, so they are common, it's not difficult. So please pay attention to this video so that we all together can be able to deal with this issue of high blood sugar. So the first one I have here is bitter melon. Okay, this is bitter melon. This bitter melon is also known as bara. So you can actually get this one in the market, you can get it, so it's not difficult. So try and look for it. Then the second one is Hunteria obelata, popularly known as osu fruit. Also they call it abere as well. So they are all in the market, so get them together. So combination of these two natural recipes will be able to knock off that high blood sugar. Okay, so let's go quickly. So the first thing we do is to cut this fruit into little pieces. Okay, so I'm just going to be using a little side of it because the container I want to use is small. So if you have a big container, you can actually soak everything the same. Okay, so then you get a plastic like this, get a plastic like this, or any other thing is okay, but you have this, no problem. So just load it inside. So including the seed, they are all important, so make sure you add the seed, don't throw them away. Okay, so the next one is this osu fruit. Okay, so let's add a slice of it to it. So like I said, if you have a big container, you can actually use everything. Okay, but because what I have here is a little one, so that's why I'm just taking little of it. So you can use the whole fruit if you have a big container to soak it. Okay, the next thing is to add water to it. So you are going to add normal room temperature water. Okay, then you cock it up. So this is it. So you have to keep this one for 24 hours before using. Okay, keep it for 24 hours before using. All right, so it's a little bit bitter though, it's a little bit bitter. And please, this recipe is not for pregnant woman. Please, this recipe is not for pregnant woman. If you are pregnant, do not use this recipe. So this is it. So take a shot morning and evening. All right, take a shot morning and evening. You take it for 3 days, then you take a break for 2 days, start again, 3 days, take a break. Okay, that is it. Thank you guys for watching. I love you all. See you in my next video.